Some over 2,000 years ago back, there was an announcement in heaven that kept the whole heaven quiet. That who could pick up the scroll and come on this earth and die for us. The whole heavens was quiet. But the Bible said there stood a lamb who was able to take the scroll. The Bible said he came into this earth without sin, became humanity for our sake, became sin for our sake. And because of his sacrifice, we are here. I want you to close your eyes. Just imagine you standing in front of God. The one you save has come to worship you. This man you save has come to lift you high. The one you save has come to lift your name. This boy you save has come to lift you high. The one you save has come to worship you. This boy you save has come to lift you. Savior, Savior, you are my the one you save, has come to worship you. The one you save has come to lift you up. I call him Savior. Has come to worship you, Lord. call on him. Jesus. Oh, his name is Jesus. The one you saved has come to earth. The one you saved. Can you sing it louder? Yahweh, Yahweh, one you saved. shall declare your glory. I sing, every tongue in heaven and earth. I want to hear you. Every tongue in heaven and earth shall declare. Sing it again. Every tongue in heaven and earth. And the Bible said they've given a name above every other name. Every tongue shall declare. Every tongue shall declare your glory. When they give birth to him, the wise men came from afar, presenting their gift to him. I don't know about you, but the Bible said after they gave birth to him, he died. They gave him a name above every other name. And at the mention of that name, Jesus, every knee bows. I don't know about you, but I have tasted and tried the name Jesus. I have been in situations where I mentioned the name Jesus and everything became calm. Every tongue in heaven and earth. The disciple said, Master, so don't you see us perish? The Bible said he woke up and spoke, and the storms became calm. Tonight, if you can say, every tongue in heaven shall declare your glory, every knee shall bow. Rapato shahadiadadaba.
If we could please make our way back in about 5 to 10 minutes to resume the next package.